Whatever it means, do it. 2020. Do what you love. Be passionate. Don't let anybody stop you. And get in your own face and tell yourself you are not going to be the reason I fail.
Oh my God.
Camping by myself. I've been a little down on myself with the whole YouTube thing just because it's a lot of work. I'm a little burnt out. I'm a little tired. And I thought I'd be, growing a little more. I thought a little more views because I've been making videos full time for you guys. And I was trying to hit 1,000 subs just as a goal by January. And I didn't quite make it. I think we're at 882 right now, which is great. And thank you, by the way. I'm very thankful. It's just that, you know how it is when you don't hit your goals. It's a little discouraging. But I think I should be pretty happy to have almost 1,000 subscribers and really doing this really for only 3 months. I joined YouTube 6 months ago, but I really just started doing it towards the end of September. It's a little discouraging when you're watching all the big guys all around you grow. But it's all in your mind. If you can tell your mind that you're doing good, keep it up. Keep doing what you enjoy and keep it up and be consistent. Because if I'm consistent right now, it's going to pay off no matter what. There's a fan for everybody out there right now. Everybody has a YouTube fan. Somebody is a fan of you right now. And I promise you, it's more people than you think. I'm talking about, it could possibly be millions that are a fan of your type of personality, what you do on a daily basis, and just who you are. You have a fan base. Don't let your mind go where it wants to go. Don't let it do it. It's going to want to do it. And it's going to be discouraging. And you're going to think, my stuff's not good enough. I'm not growing as fast. I talk funny. I sound funny. I'm laying down while I'm talking to you. Listen. Don't let you destroy you. Are you going to let other people do it? Why would you let you do it? What is the difference between you letting you down and other people letting you down? That's why I came out here by myself. Because I have a battle with myself. And that battle is the part of me that doubts me. And that thinks I'm not good enough. And that's depressed and feels sorry for himself. Bullshit. You're better than that. And you serve a better God than that. And you have a fan base that look up to you and want you to succeed. Whatever their reason is. Who knows? Who cares? Because of who you are. Because of how you make them feel. Whatever. You are good enough. Joshua. Texas Jungle. Brian. Vanessa. Tom. Billy. Joe, John, Flair, whoever, you're good enough. You're more than good enough. Because you used to be where I'm at. Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, you used to be where I'm at right now. Maybe not in a camper with trippy lights, muzzle-loading Texas jungle. But you were once here, where I'm at. The fact that I'm able to do this for you guys is a blessing. I could be making a lot more money doing my actual profession, which is a real estate agent, an investor, flipping houses, and I own a restaurant. Am I very wealthy? No. I make exactly what I need to pay my bills. And I have a beautiful family. But I choose to do this. I enjoy doing this, I do. But if you're a YouTuber, you understand that this is not easy. I'm not saying your job is easy. We all have a hard job. I'm just saying it takes a special breed to be a YouTuber. It's very lonely. You lose a lot of your friends, honestly. Because you're talking to a freaking phone or a camera all day long. And you're asking people to subscribe. And you're selling yourself. Yeah, is there an end game? Is there an actual motivation at the end of this whole thing? Is there a carrot? Yeah, there's a carrot. Of course it's money. But that can't be what drives you to do this. That can't be. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's so much more you can do and make so much more money so much faster. So the reason I started doing this is because I've always wanted to do this, and then 40 years old finally hit, and I thought, oh my goodness, this might be it. This might be my last chance to do YouTube. Which, by the way, it's never too late to do YouTube. Don't, even if you're 70 and you're watching this, do it. Do it if you love it. Do it to create content if you love it. All YouTube is really is a way to express yourself. If you've always wanted to be an actor, a singer, a performer, a creator, a director, whatever, YouTube is a way for you to become an actor. Overnight, you're an actor. Overnight, you are a content creator. The moment you press that button, be a phone or a camera, a camcorder, whatever, you have an audience. I have 882 people that potentially are watching this. Now, of course, not all you guys turn on the bell, so you don't always see that I'm creating, but I'm creating every single day almost. I am uploading 1 to 3 times a week. It's a lot. Turn that bell on, guys. Come on. Should be getting a lot more views just because I'm doing it for you guys and you want to see it. And you're my subs. So turn that bell on. And if it's your first time seeing this ugly face, hit that subscribe and turn that little bell on. Punch that bell, punch it. But you know what, guys? That's the grind. That is YouTube. That's what I hear all the time. Some people blow up. But I need to do what I love. Keep doing that. Stay passionate and motivated, because you know what? If you don't do what you love, you're going to get burnt out so fast. So just do what you love. Don't do something just because you think it's going to make a lot of money. Because I promise you, even if you ended up making that money, you'd be miserable. Still having to do it and being a puppet for something you don't love. Just do what you love. And keep posting and be consistent. That's it. I promise you, I'm going to keep doing 1 video a week, whether it's fishing, snakes, hunting, whatever it is, survival, cooking. I'm going to do it because I love it and I'm passionate about it. If you want to keep seeing it, support it all the way. Go all in. Subscribe with the bell. Punch that thing. Go all in. I'm out here by myself, camping by myself. None of my friends will do that. None of them like doing that. It's not my favorite, but I'm sacrificing for you guys, for me, for my family, ultimately. My family at home, and you guys, Texas Jungle. You're my family. You're fam. If you support me and you support my family, you're fam. A lot of my friends have come and gone. It's just the way it is. But family's family. Family sticks together. Closer than a brother. I love you, blood family, and I love you, the other red family, the YouTube family. Let's do this. 2020. Let's do it. Let's do it. No regrets. Being myself. Talk to you the way I would talk to family. God bless you. 2020. Chase your dreams. Do what you love. Don't be afraid. Even if you end up being alone, don't be afraid. Even with the naysayers, don't be afraid. Even with the haters, don't be afraid. Even in the dark, don't be afraid. When you're all alone and it seems like nobody cares, just remember that I care, God cares, and there are some people that care. And you have a fan out there. I'm your fan. He's your fan, most importantly. $2020. Do it. Do it. If it means going in the woods in the dark and facing your fears, do it. Whatever it means, do it. 2020. Do what you love. Be passionate. Don't let anybody stop you. And get in your own face and tell yourself, you are not going to be the reason I fail. You, Josh, are not going to be the reason I fall. You're not. I am not going to trip over my own feet. Everybody else can be naysayers, but you're not going to do it. You're not going to bring me down. You're not going to be your own hater. You're going to be your own motivator. An inspirator. I don't think that's a word. You are your own cheerleader, and you're your greatest fan. Me. You can do it. You can do it all the way. Now go do it. God bless you. 2020. Get ready for it. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.